This is the main part for the head, disposable razor head. Two blades and a small piece, a big piece, and also the spacer. So here is the switch, the main switch here, and here is the air switch. Comes with the air from the air tag. Okay, so there are two vibration feeder to supply the small cap and big cap. So here are the two blades, and here is the spacer. Spacer in the middle, the small blade, and the big one, the big blade. The small blade, all the blade, the sharp side are inside. Okay, inside. Okay. So here, after the razor head assembly comes to here, there is a detector here. We call it sensor to detect if the supply of this razor head comes from this side, and then comes to here for the glue, and also glue, and with this lubrication strip. So this one is a lubrication strip machine, delivery machine, a delivery part, and you can power it with 220 voltage. This one we just power it from the main part of this disposable razor assembly, from this main machine, which is square. You can see it's square one. And after the lubrication strip, so this is a finish lubrication strip and head assembly. And here is another sensor to detect if this stuck here or it goes through this to the handle. Okay, here there is another part, the master part. So the master part for the handle and also the cover or guard assembly. And you can see there are two vibration feeder, and this one is for the cover. Okay, just like this. That one is for the handle. Okay, so here comes the handle, and here comes with the vibration, the cover, and then here comes the head, razor head. So here is another part to assemble the disposable razor, just like this, and the handle and this cover or guard. Okay, finished product. So this is the controller of this part, of the master part, and here is the controller of the lubrication delivery machine, delivery part. And here is the main controller for the head, for the razor head. Just assembly. The razor head has five parts. You can see that this are two blade disposable razor. So 5 parts: a small cap, a big cap, a spacer, and 2 blades. That's it. Okay. That's for watching. The screw air driver compressor. Screw air compressor. The air tag on the other side is very hot. I'll show you. Here is a chiller dryer. To make sure the air is clean and dry. That will make sure your air cylinder and air component are working for a longer lifetime. That's very important. This is a dryer chiller. A chiller dryer, okay? Yeah. So from the air tag to the chiller dryer, and then to the disposable razor. Okay. If you do not have an injection molding machine, you will need to have an injection molding machine for the plastic part of this disposable razors. If you have an injection molding machine at hand, just like 120 tons, and then you will need to make mold for this plastic parts. The molds are very important because if there is just like this shape, the shape is just bent or just like how broken part, then comes to this assembly line, it will stuck. It will stuck somewhere, here or there, and then the whole machine will stop. Okay, and this will lose efficiency. Okay, your efficiency to make the disposable razor. So same just like this. We need to make sure the molds are making as better as possible to make sure this injection in good shape. Okay, in good shape. Also here, the handle. Okay, if there is just like this one, if there is how to say, here you can see the ear. If there is a break point here, then it will stuck. It will stuck here, and also this one. The cover is also important. We have some bad one. As an example here, we have problem. This one, just like with this, how to say? So it's not clean. Okay, it's not clean one. But now is it okay? You can see here. Also, this one is not clean too. So we do not need this. Okay, so this are not good. because it will stuck somewhere here. Okay, if it's stuck here, comes from here to here, and then this handle and cover assembly will stuck. Okay, so we need to make sure that the injection, all of the injection parts are clean. Okay, so first thing is that you need to make sure this from your injection molding machine clean and in good shape, and then we can do the assembly. This assembly line for the newer worker, maybe you can do it in within 2,000 pieces per hour. But if you are skilled or sophisticated one, and you can make it about 3,000 pieces per hour. That means you can make around 300,000 in a day. Okay.